Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to export Google Keep Notes on your device. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Google Keep app. Make sure you have already downloaded Google Keep Notes on your device. Tap on it. Now here you can see a list of Google Keep Notes. Now, whichever note you want to export, simply hold on it for a second. Then it will show you this kind of icons on topmost. Go to the three dot icon that is located on top right corner. Next, click on Copy to Google Docs. It will copy your notes to Google Docs. As soon as it copied your Google Keep Notes to Google Docs, tap on Open. Now it will load your notes in Google Docs. So you have successfully export Google Keep Notes. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.